Okay, so I've just come along to the farm track which we use to back entry into the farm for things like silage, and it's getting quite worn out now. We put road planings on it a few years ago. Here's a clip of us tipping road planings on it. There you go, look, we tip this along here now. I'll have a go at levelling that out with the loader bucket and stuff a bit later. Hopefully that'll make a decent track for the cattle and for the machinery when we're driving along here in the summertime, because otherwise it just gets really boggy. There we go, look. Instant road. So that was, I don't know how many years ago, probably 6-7 years ago, and they're pretty well disintegrated now. So what we've got is some type 1 stone coming in today, and hopefully we're going to spread that over there and make a decent track. Let's just have a quick look. You can see here it's quite rutty in these bits here. I mean, from the ridge there, you can't, I don't expect you can probably tell really very well, but it needs building back up, because coming back here I bring round bales in the winter this way. It's all bumpy and horrible. So the lorry's due in this morning. Hopefully I'm gonna get him to just drive along very slowly, tipping there, and then hopefully I can just, I'm not sure whether I'm gonna roll it out, maybe chain arrow it to level it or something, or use the loader bucket, but we'll work something out. But it just needs a bit of stone in it. So here's the load just arrived. Let's go and see how we go. Okay, so we've got the load back. Here we go. Difficulty will be to see how we can go. I'm hoping the lady driver, she's really nice. Hoping that she'll be able to pull it forward a bit, and that's it. Hoping we can get this out on the track not too bad. Type 1 this is called. £13.50 a tonne. I can't remember whether it's plus VAT or including VAT, but quite expensive for just putting down on the floor, but you've got to do these things. So I can level this later. It's very good, she's doing it kind of evenly as she can. It's not easy to get this up in the right place, so I'm going to use my loader bucket. I think it needs to go up a little bit more. That's it, it's going up now. Keep going, keep going. I want to go forward. That's enough there, I think. Come on, keep going. Not much left in there. Going well, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. That's it. I reckon that's enough stone for the whole track. I'll just get the last dregs out. Oh, that goes up steep, doesn't it? A bit like a foliage trailer really. And straight back down. There we go, the lorry's off. So here we go, is what we got, Type 1 it's called. It's quite big chunky stuff. And it's only come 4 miles, this stone, down the road, Whitwar. So it'll bed down in quite nicely. I've just got to get this sorted out. I've got too much here really. So the lady was saying it's very difficult to move. You can't move the lorry when you're lifting it. So I've got a bit too much in place, so I'm going to have to skim some off, I think. In the meantime, I can see that the neighbouring farmer, Greys, are over there mowing for their silage, and we'll be doing that in the next week or so, I expect. Good job to know where to start with this, because oh, maybe I'll go around this way. I'll just have to scoop bits up with the loader and pull it back. this out and putting bits and pieces here. I haven't really got enough stone. I could have done with a little bit more, maybe another 10 ton or something, but I think I'm just going to have to make do with what I've got. And I'm thinking I'm just putting a bit on the edge here. I think I'm just going to put the chain arrows on and maybe level it out a little bit. Over there, looks like they finished their mowing. In the meantime, I'm still doing this. So I'm just gonna, what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna scrape the track along a little bit with a loader bucket, trying to level it out, and then if I've got time I'll put the chain arrows on and just go over it once. I think that'll really level it out. It's meant for muck, but I think it'll work for stone as well. So I'm just doing this, go back slow. As long as you've got the bucket up fairly high, it will take out all the lumps and bumps. Okay, so you can see there I've been levelling it out with the bucket and I've got it pretty good. I'm just going to put the chain arrows on and just finish off with a kind of spread it out a little bit more just to smooth it off, I think, because it is a little bit, you can't really see, but it's a little bit wavy in places. I'd like to get it a bit more even, and then after that it's up to nature and life, whatever happens to it. But not bad. I think this will be good for quite a few years yet. And hopefully it will make it a little bit easier for driving over, because it was getting really bumpy. So I'm just kicking a bit in here with my feet to fill that bit in there. So it's £300 to put this down, but I think it'll be worthwhile. Alright, Mrs. Moo, well that's it. That's the track repaired. How long this will last, anybody's guess, but it's down quite smooth now. I don't think I'll bother rolling at the moment because, well, the cattle will be walking down here, but also the silage gang will be in soon and they'll compact it down quite a bit with their trailers. But I mean, it need constant maintenance anyway, it always does, but yeah, this is good for a few more years yet. Bye.